So this is a G to a D. So just remember we're numbering these spaces. So this space is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So top string, middle finger, third space. This is the first note of the G. First finger, second space, string down. And then you can either take ring or pinky to the bottom. You can play it like that. So third space, second space, third space to the bottom, or like that. So you can either play. Another way of playing it is with the pinky there, you can add this finger. So third space, second, bottom string, thinner string, the E string, the first string. So that's your G. D, bottom 3 strings, so on your guitar. I don't mean bottom as in the sound, just bottom. So middle finger, zap finger, second space, skip a string up, second space again. So with these two fingers, so middle, index. Now we're going to take our third finger or the ring finger and just plonk it on the string in between. So if you look at it like this, second space, not that string, one up, and then the ring in the third space. And your fingers kind of come at an angle like this. If you do it like this, it's a little bit tricky, just at an angle like that. If you can, mute the tone. So that would be second space, third space, and then second space. Or second, third, second. Same thing, mute the tone. So if you go back to the G, third space, second space, third space. So that's your G. Two fingers, two, 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 and that one in between. So a different angle. First finger, index, middle, ring. So just play through the strings. So don't like hold the pick a little bit tight. That's kind of what gives the loudness and softness. If I don't grip the pick as tight, just a little bit loose. So grip it so you can get a sound. So just check each note as well. I don't like this too. Check every note. So if it makes this sound, just try and get your fingers on those tips. On those tips. So we got the G. What you can do is, once you know these shapes, the reason why I'm not what's the word? So once you know these shapes, you can just mess around with them. Because what will happen is, you want to learn a song, you kind of learn the shapes and then you go straight to the song and then you don't know. Simple strumming. So this is for beginners. So getting those changes in timing. So we're going to count 4 beats. Once you know these, what you can do to start out is just, okay, you know the G, it's sounding a little bit, but it's kind of there. The D is kind of there. So we're just going to count 4 beats. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. I know it's boring, but get it in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you got that, if you can write this down, then you can play on all the beats now. And then just try 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy, get those changes. Then the other strumming patterns will make a little bit more sense. So that's your G and your D, mess around with it again. Lift off fingers. Some of them might work, some might not. So you can mess around.